Alright everyone, we're cooking chili tonight. So all I'm going to use is 2 pounds of any ground beef that you prefer. You need 2 cans of tomato sauce, 8 ounces, 1 can of beans, and the beef, and that's it. And this is, excuse me Jace. This is the beans I'm using. I do a little extra beans. We like our chili a little extra beans in it. This tomato sauce. I'm gonna saute this garlic and onions. And let me brown this beef and then I'll guide you guys along. Alright guys, here's the meat. Onions and garlic sauteed. I'm gonna add tomato sauce. One of dinner is real simple and easy. Probably the quickest chili. I'm gonna add the beans. Mix it up. You want more beans, Jace. Ready for chili? I'm gonna mix it up. Let it simmer. I got 2 beans in there. I'm probably gonna add 1 more. I'm just trying to see the ratio, see if that's how we like it. That might be good enough. But if it's too liquidy, that's why I got the tomato paste to add to it to thicken it up if it did. And then I got some oyster crackers, so sour cream and cheese. We'll be eating in a little bit and I'll show you the ending result. Alright, I add the seasoning. And mix it up. Can't really see the light kind of. Add the last can of beans and let it simmer. And then I'll show you our plates and we're gonna eat our dinner for the night. So the kids can get ready for school tomorrow. Thank you, babe. Give me some light. I'm gonna let it simmer about 10 minutes and it'll be done. Alright guys, the chili was a little plain still, so I just added 1 teaspoon chili powder. You add slow at a time because it will get spicy. So it goes on your flavor basically. I just added a teaspoon, I added 1 teaspoon. And then you want more, add more. You want spicy, you add some any other little chili powder, cayenne pepper. Get it real spicy. Alright, here's the ending result. Some chili, sour cream, little cheese, and oyster crackers. We'll call the kids, give them their bowls of chili. See if they want some sour cream. I know they want cheese, but we're getting ready to eat. Okay, go ahead, Dave.
Thank God for the food we have received. God bless, amen.
Amen.